Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to unbox and review this Winch, and this is 800 lb, guys. In kilogram, this is 362 kilogram. So okay, I bought this, guys, for us AC installer to make the install easy. Okay, so here is what you see it's look like inside. So okay, that's it, and you can install this one like this, okay, not like that. Okay, and it has nut here, guys. Just fasten it and tighten.
Sorry, it's DJ.
To release the cable, guys, you need to press this one and try to reverse the operation. Okay, this is counterclockwise to release the cable. Okay, we're going to measure the cable, how long the cable is it.
You can get some.
Okay, from there I'm going to, it goes one foot, okay, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, 9 feet, 10 feet, 11 feet, 12 feet, 13 feet, 14 feet, okay, 15 feet, 16 feet, 17 feet. Okay, guys, until here is 17 feet. Okay, I'm going to roll back my measuring tape. Okay, then let's start again. So until here is 17 feet. Okay, 17 goes 8 feet, 19 feet, 20 feet, 21 feet, 21 feet, 22 feet, so 23 feet, guys. Okay, until here 23 feet, and is the 800 lb is equivalent to 362 kilograms, so we can carry from 1 horsepower of condensing unit up to 5 horsepower. I cannot make a bracket for it, guys, because I'm sending this to the Philippines. Okay, what you see, guys, is an example of the Winch with bracket, and this AC installer is lifting the condensing unit of the air conditioner, and it seems the bracket is short. Okay, the L type is short, the above. So if I'm gonna make a DIY, I'll make sure that the top is a little bit longer, so I can leave the unit without any obstacle. So anyway, what you have seen is a ready-made bracket. So this AC installer is just showing how tough is their product is. So by the way, the Gerwin's cable is 23 feet, so we can install the unit up to 6 meter above. Okay, and this one, guys, is they're about to uninstall the defective condensing unit, so both we can use it vice versa for installation or for dismantling. And take note, guys, the Gerwins I bought can carry up to 320 kilograms, so for the 5 HP we can install, okay, without using the scaffolding, which is very hard to fit in our service vehicle whenever we do the installation. So do not work hard, guys, just work smart. So these people here is do their job smart, okay, not working hard. So just the use of telescopic ladder, and two technician can do the installation, okay. So no need for 4 to 5 people installing the 5 horsepower AC, okay. Just use these weird gains and it costs only 45 Brunei dollar, and if converted to Philippine peso it's only 14215. So I did not buy the bracket because for me it's not tough, okay. Since you truly is a certified welder, I can fabricate my own bracket with strong and durability, so it can fit the 300 kilograms dedicated to my gear wings. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Once again, work smarter, not work harder. Thank you and God bless.